Hello, Richard Hunt, First National Real Estate. I'm at 50 Della Place, down at the Yamba Keys, outside the latest Arakoon new build. That, as you can see, construction is well underway with a scheduled finish time in February for completion. Unlike most of the Yamba Keys, this is actually a dry block, so it's a little bit more affordable. What this house doesn't have in terms of waterfront access is more than made up for in terms of practicality, with a really broad street frontage encompassing a north-facing alfresco area, carport and side space to the south. And obviously the best bit about it is the reserve front opposite that's never going to be built out, so uninterrupted river views. Contact the team at the office and find out how you can secure this with just a 5% deposit with a completion in February.